Hey, me I send my grandson.
That's a grandfather.
I want to show you badness working on my time. We do things different, is it? Watch your style. I'm going to show you how to deal with people. You hear that? Look here. I inform of them, so them talk plenty. Lift up the belly of the beast, so carry half century. Make a juvie bust him at the barely past 20. Binds a rip up your Gucci, bust up your dark Fendi. We full of metal like a welder, we know the carpentry. All of them a tunnel, mount a back up with the salsa.
Grandfather, bad boy.
Yeah, yo,
gang, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another hit, another smash, another bang. What time it is? From the title and the name, guys, you already know what time it is. I'm here with another hit, another smash, another banger from none other than Genocide himself. Yes, that's Massacre. Yeah, man. Me there with Massacre and him drop another hit, another banger, you know. Yeah, man, everybody been talking about it. Y'all probably seen it over social media. Y'all probably see the video. I've seen snippets. I'm not gonna lie, I've seen snippets, but I haven't seen or heard the full song or seen the full video. So we're gonna check it out there. We're gonna react together. Yes, so if you're new to the channel, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And from returning viewers and subscribers, I'm asking. I just want to thank you guys for returning and for your continued love and support. You guys have been the best and the greatest. Y'all been showing me a lot of love in the comments, man. I really appreciate it, guys. Trust me, we're growing over here and we're getting stronger. So please stay tuned for upcoming shoutouts and giveaways, guys. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. And yes, guys, without further ado, definitely I'm going to jump in it. You don't know Reaction King there, Jambisco. We're going to react and see what I go on with the video. Everybody talk about it and it's supposed to be mad. So we're going to react. Let's jump right into it. This is Massacre Grandfather. They're all over social media. Go check it out, guys. And let me know what you think in the comment section, alright? We're going to jump right into it. Massacre Grandfather. Let's see what's going on.
More from it, I hope I'm going for your thing. Go.
Oh boy. Hey, me I send my grandson.
That's a grandfather.
I want to show you badness working on my time. We do things different, is it? Watch your style. I'm going to show you how to deal with people. You hear that? Look here. I inform of them, so them talk plenty. Lift up the belly of the beast, so carry half century. Make a juvie bust him at the barely past 20. Binds a rip up your Gucci, bust up your dark Fendi. We full of metal like a welder, we know the carpentry. All of them a tunnel, mount a back up with the salsa.
Grandfather, bad boy. Grandfather retired bad man there. Yeah, man. Yeah, grandfather say, yo, we can show you how bad is working on my ideas. Bumbo. Yeah. Yeah, easy no grandfather. Easy no grandfather. Well, I want to show you how bad is working on my ideas. I can lift up the thing where we carry half century. Yeah, I make a young youth, but same way they look for him for past 20. Yo, hold on. You can jump back in the track now. I'm going to bumbo, but you know. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Please go ahead, man. Drop the comments. We just start, but let me know what you think so far. Drop the fire emoji if you like the intro and everything and the video. You see me? Man, I up on the acting thing. You see me? Go ahead, let drop. Let me know what you think in the comments. Fire emoji if you think it's fire, garbage or shit can if it's trash. Yes, guys, let me know what you think. And if you're new, subscribe and turn on your notification bells. Returning viewers. I love you. Come back in the track. That's crazy, man. Should we take it from the top? Let's take it from the fucking top. From the top, man. Yeah, man. Let's go and acting thing from the top. Let's go, man.
More from it, I hope I'm going for your thing. Go.
Hey, me I send my grandson.
That's a grandfather.
I want to show you badness working in my time. We do things different, is it? Watch your style. I'm going to show you how to deal with people. You hear that? Look here. I inform of them, so them talk plenty. Lift up the belly of the beast, so carry half century. Make a juvie bust him, the barely past 20. Binds a rip up your Gucci, bust up your dark Fendi. We full of metal like a welder, we know the carpentry. All of them a turn on, mount a back up with the start send. For solid that a lick in a forehead, they not fall gently. Man a Japan, we no care, you know we heart empty. Short down, walk them with a spinner, but a raw century. So the juvenile them safe, we not can't do anything. No wild.
Yo. Bad man thing grandfather the pan. The man say sharp man walk down with a spinners. What a rash entry. None of the juve, all of the juve them safe. None of them not. Hey, I mean, a bad man thing now why grains on fire. Do all of the juve them safe. Me and the man I say blood. A bad man thing that.
Shot Jam out, cause we want them see. See big man and bad, nobody can.
No why shot Jam out, cause we want them see. Hey.
Can't help me. Gunman a born for Jato, this a clout healthy. Boy think say them safe cause them boss wealthy. Want see him buy in the back.
Gunman a born for Jato, this. To this was healthy. What? Think say them safe through them boss wealthy. Hey, you see me? I don't care where your boss, how much money you have. If I can get it, I can get it.
Pussy go on temple, bury them round this summer, so me pass senti. My grandson, when a boy shot for way 6, chop with a whole 14, back to basic. Trigger happy, any pussy me spot me race it. Now nah, kill no woman, get the cock for taste it. Gun bag can't get enough chop, my
Ballap, nah give no woman, what? You see? Hey, we don't shoot woman a little bit, you know, straight.
Play sick, be a murderer's out without the basic. Guns out, you said the mouse, they go shake it. Family, you run up and down, them have to stay fit. Grandson, you hear them talking about the cake kick. But them make brain fly like a spaceship. Them a go end up like Jack on the same ship. Titanic sinking, my pint and my aim it. So do you think to bleach your face, you tough? Do you grow?
Yo, Titanic, sing one. Hey.
Growing at the place, I think you're rough. Without the 1,000.
Do you bleach out your face, I think you're tough. Do you growing at the place, I think you're rough. For real, man, some boy face like them, then they come bleach out and act like them bad, them face them bad, and true, them come from bad place for known for badness. Sir, alright, do this. I'm to them.
Man, them afraid another fuss. And if a buck you wanna be your jelly boss. Watcha, a gun bag, them just start to the dust. We rough from buckle boom and one pop, you know the stuff. We go for boy, and if men have the car, me hold the bus. Me dress up like me going to work, I date me hold your fuss. Me pop it off, and nothing pretty, me know I trust. Shake up the city, that is a must. I'm not kidding, them a licky. Easy for flush, when you do, you just go tricky Mickey. Bring him to cook.
Guys, once again, man, no man, let me know what you're thinking in the comment section about them, man, yeah, man. I think Massacre find one, you know. I think he find it again, man. Massacre can't go no wrong, man. Be hits after hits. You see me, guys? Let me know one thing in the comment section if you like the music and like the artist. We can do some more. You know, let me know what artists like so we can do some more of them videos and react to more of them art. You see me? So just let me know, guys, what you think in the comment section. Fire emoji if you think it's fire. Garbage and shit emoji like always, guys. And let me know what you are thinking, your thoughts on what you want to see, man. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe and turn on notification bells so you won't miss the videos I upload it. And for my new and returning subscribers, I love you guys. You guys are the best. Let's jump back in the video. It's really dope. The video I'm mad, man. I also got to find him acting skills, you know what I mean? And do him acting and the storytelling. Don't say man bad with the storytelling. Cause I remember I think Lenny and Paul. Yeah, man. Man, bad with storytelling, man. You don't know Massacre, so I don't expect no less. But we'll jump back in the video, that banger.
You all know me, yo. Soon gone. Load up the clip and keep your shoes on. Before you bust ahead, just a two song. Me know Jah will forgive you for your few can. Say them a try bad, but it lukewarm. Them a cartoon, no murder Jerry shoot time. All this, me no.
Them a cartoon, no murder Jerry shoot time. Hey.
Put strap in a full palm. Go and run it off for me, grandson.
Bala. Gun salute. The one that deserve a gun. Gun salute. Gun salute. Yeah, man. Gun. Wow. Yeah, man, you find it, man. You find it, man. You find the people. Let me tell you. Banger that. Banger. 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 Yeah, man. People, let me know what you think in the comment section. Really, man. Really dope track from Massacre, guys. Yeah, man. I like the one, man. Mad, man. You don't know Massacre sick for him in storytelling. You don't know. So, guys, check it out, guys. This is Massacre Grandfather. And yeah, check it out on his page at Massacre Music. Really dope track from the artist, man. Mad thing. Drop it like a day ago. Yeah, so yeah, man, really dope track. Go ahead and check out the video on the artist page. Show him some love. And like always, you know, let me know what you feel about the comment section, guys. Really appreciate the love you guys have been showing me, man. So really dope track, man. Really like it. So guys, yeah, that was Massacre Grandfather. Really dope shit, man. That was fire. Man, up on the storytelling thing, dress up like a old man and everything. I tell the story thing, Grandfather. And you them that bully the man, the little youth in the first being Grandfather say, yo, come on, grandson. Let me show you what we do with badness. You see me? Now back in a food day, you know, now wild up yourself, you know. You see me, just draw out a boy, you know. You see me? You get here, everybody see. When you get here, everybody see with a wild, you know. You see me, just go so bam. Just go to Obama and make one young youth. You see me go page him. You see me? You know, so no juvie, no little youth now getting paid. We don't follow wild greens. Yeah. They a bad boy back in the days, man. Rate it, man. Real bad man tune. Really dope track from Massacre, guys. Go ahead and check it out on our page. Show him some love. Let me know what you think of the song in the comment section, man. And I really appreciate all the love you guys been showing me. Stay tuned for upcoming shoutouts and giveaways, guys. I don't want you to miss out on that. I got really dope stuff so I'm going to give away, and you know I'm gonna be shouting out, guys. All of you guys have been showing me love, you know. So respect. So until next, guys. Until next video. Please stay safe, guys. Stay safe from this COVID-19 to you and your family. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed. It's your boy John Biscow's here with another hit and a smash and a banger. You know, I love you guys and I'm out.